Now, a submission I make to you in the context of refining is that if your policy framework is properly thought through, if your support system has everything in place, then you find as you go from start to modest build to better build and onwards, in fact, the target and objective also can become more ambitious. And I think that is the case in our refining sector. This is my take on it. But you touched on another aspect about the global situation on refining. I have some notes. I said what's happening globally. And I'm told that as per reports, over 101 of the world's 420 refineries, representing nearly 18.4 million barrels per day, about 20% of global capacity, are at risk of closure within the next 7 to 10 years. That's a lot. If 20% refining capacity goes down, if I were a doomsday prediction mold minister, I would say, my God, this means that refining was no. But the fact of the matter is, whilst 21% of global capacity is being reduced, by the way, that's not the only one. Some of those teapot refineries will also go, so the figure is much higher. But the good news is that you've got India. You've got today, what, 258 or so million metric tons per annum. You have a target of, by 2030, of 310. But the fact of the matter is you've got plans either already afoot or on the drawing board to take it beyond that. I think it was at one of the India Energy Week meetings that the Prime Minister mentioned a figure. I nearly fell off my chair because I had in private conversations talking to my colleagues, the CMDs, and I see them here. I used to say कि यार ये 310-20 तो हो गया ये तो that we got plans in place for that in a few years time, but इसको आगे कितना ले जाओगे? And we used to say कि we'll have to do a study. We did a brainstorming on it. We said what will be the global situation, how much? So we said 400, but he took it to 450, the figure. Now it may be that the Prime Minister's style of functioning, he's testing or he's giving us a teaser. One day he asked me in a small meeting, ये refining capacity आप बढ़ा क्या रहे हैं इसमें क्या करेंगे? मैंने कहा जी petrochemical बनाएंगे, because I had done my homework. And believe me, I was asking Pankaj just now, the figure on the index, what's it called? Petchem index जो था, आपने एक figure बताया था यहाँ पे, it has gone up from 7.7% to 13%. I saw it on the screen, it's not in my notes. So fact of the matter, as my understanding in a simplified way, is that our utilization of petchem is 1/3 the global average. But for an economy which is growing very well, last quarter 7.8%, previous quarter 7.4%, and there's a gentleman sitting here, I saw his results for this quarter, and he always used to come up with a slightly grumpy look on his face. They've just gone up from 4,000 crores to 7,160 crores in just one quarter. Now don't be modest about it. The fact of the matter is your figures last quarter were also not that bad. It's just that you were carrying a lot of inventory, which was, look, my view is that this sector, and I'm sorry I'm fast forwarding, this sector is providing today, Pankaj, what, 19% of the country's revenue? Okay? It's providing 19% of the country's revenue. The economic entities, whether they're in the private sector or public sector, are doing phenomenally well by not just Indian standards, I think global standards. Their capex is, I was seeing the figures from, if you look from 1st April to August figure, you'd already spent, I think, what, 35% or something, which is from my way of looking at it good, because all my years in government, first as a civil servant, then, because there's a push which comes in the second half. पहले 3-4 महीने में इन्होंने 35% कर लिया. It's a good sign. But more important, I think, what is that we are today looking at the refining sector as very promising. And the refining sector, let me just say that you are today at fourth position. We are already exporting refined products to 50 plus countries, valued at over $45 billion. This is the fiscal year 24-25. And we are the top 7 exporters globally among them, with the ambition to enter the top 3. But I want to also share with you a general comment, which is one, the refineries themselves are part of the global markets today. If you're exporting 50 countries, you're importing crude from 40 countries. And they are increasingly integrated with petrochemicals, enhancing efficiency and export competitiveness. So your consumption is going up, definitely.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.